Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chili oil Maggi, full guide. Start by boiling water and measuring your noodle block and spice packet. Prepare chili oil by heating neutral oil, then adding chili flakes, garlic, and a pinch of sugar. Drain noodles slightly so sauce clings, then toss with chili oil, soy, and lime juice to balance heat and acidity for a bright, addictive bowl. Heat a neutral oil in a small pan until shimmering but not smoking, then add minced garlic and cook briefly for aroma. Remove from heat and pour over toasted chili flakes in a heat-proof bowl to bloom the spice and release oils. Stir in a splash of soy and a pinch of sugar for balance, then let the mixture cool so flavors marry and the oil mellows into a fragrant condiment. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep your chili oil Maggi portions fresh and spill-free, perfect for lunches or leftovers. I love how they stack neatly and save time in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cook your Maggi noodles until just tender, then drain most water but leave a little to help the sauce adhere. Add the Maggi masala and toss with several tablespoons of prepared chili oil, a dash of soy, and a squeeze of lime to brighten the flavors. Taste and adjust heat or salt, then plate and finish with scallions and sesame seeds for crunch and aroma that lifts every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.